Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Paultre. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on your notifications so you could see more of these beautiful videos. Make sure you subscribe. Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Paultre. Today we actually have corn on a cob. It will be with butter, garlic, chives, and with some Parmesan cheese. That'll be it. So we're gonna start. Peel your corn. You peel your corn. And cut your corn to a bite size. I got my water boiling. Dump my corn in the water. And this process, it will take a good 20 minutes for the corn to be cooked. Okay, also you add some salt to your water to give your corn some taste. The next step right now is you take your bowl, butter, some Parmesan cheese, so right now guys, the corn is cooked. I'm gonna dump it on my bowl. And I'm gonna mix it with the butter, chives. I'm adding the butter to my corn. The butter is consists of onion, garlic, chives, and I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese, and to top it off it will be with some parsley. Right now I'm about to plate the corn. Like I told you guys, with some Parmesan cheese, sprinkle some. And this is the finish line. Which is some parsley. C'est bon, la nourriture est prête.